Welcome to the Tradeview room. This is a video that I wanted to make just to give you guys a little overview of what this room is about, why it's made, and the benefits of the room. So this room is for users of Tradeview to openly communicate with each other about this broker. As far as I know, nobody else has made pages for their people in their groups, because I am in other groups, to openly communicate with each other about that specific broker. Good things, bad things, questions, answers. I mean, this is a very powerful thing, because strength is in numbers. If we all stick together, there's nothing we can't overcome. They will obviously be more willing to work with us in any way, shape, or form in order to keep our business and to keep us happy, because we have open communication between each other. Anything detrimental to the group will be posted in the announcement page. And that's something else. That's why this is so very powerful. We all talk in here. If one of you guys want to PM me, or if you post in here and there's a problem, a lot of people are going to turn the notifications off of this room, because there will be chitter chatter that you don't always want to hear. So keep the notifications on in the Tradeview announcement room, regardless, because this is where things that you are going to want to know are going to be posted. Whether it be they finally lower their minimum deposit, or if, heaven forbid, anything ever goes wrong with somebody's trade, I'm going to post it in there, and I'm going to let you guys know the resolution, or if they don't resolve it, what we're doing, where we're going from here. If anything like that needs to happen, heaven forbid, like I said, that's last case scenario, but it's a reality. This is the power of this room. It's something you need to grasp. That is an awesome concept of being able to transparently communicate with each other. This chart right here is a breakdown of how much a trade actually costs. People don't actually look at this normally because they don't think of a spread as a cost, but it absolutely is. I hear all the time people say, I'm with a commission-free broker. Well, check this out. Whenever you hit buy or sell, this is the number you see in your trade tab with a big minus next to it. Okay, so this is absolutely a dollar amount that you lose on top of your loss if you lose a trade, and this is that much less money you take home on a winning trade. So yes, it's a cost. Okay, it absolutely is a cost. I don't care how you think about it. This is a cost. If I'm with JFX and I want to trade a 1.0, I start out negative $16, while I start out negative $8 with Tradeview. So that means I paid JFX $8 more than I had to for the same exact thing. My trade got executed this exact same place. The market action, you're going to get way better liquidity with Tradeview, because you've got over 50 liquidity providers. There's a lot of. I'm truly jealous of you guys at Tradeview. I'm located in the United States. I can't open an account here because of their SEMA regulations. They're regulated out of the Cayman Islands. Their office is located in New York City, and their bank is located in London. Okay, I can't open an account there. I'm so jealous of you guys. They've got over 50 liquidity providers, where FinPro only has 12. They have more things to trade. You guys have already got cryptos are already there. You guys can also trade stocks. We can't do that at FinPro. You also have MT5 already available, and you have C Trader, which is a professional grade platform, an excellent platform. You guys have it. Commissions are the same, $3 across any platform you guys decide to use. FinPro only has 12. This is where I want to openly tell you guys the difference. The thing that I don't like about Tradeview, I'm very transparent. The thing that I do not like about Tradeview right now is their minimum deposit is $500. That's because our group is small. This room is small. We don't have as much leverage against them, and they aren't as willing to work with us because we're not producing any volume. That's what brokers speak. Brokers speak volume. Volume means dollars. I know what language they speak because I wanted to manipulate them in a way that would help us any way, shape, or form that it could. I showed them the numbers at FinPro, which are just, we've got 800 demos, we've got less than 400 live accounts, but I wanted to show them those numbers to make them see dollar signs, because that's all they speak. I don't hardly make crap off this. I don't want to make crap off this. This is not something that I wanted to do to make money. I wanted to do this because I saw the power of saving money. I will show you, there's a video in the pin post of my JFX loss. I lost $7,500 to them. Not because of the commissions. I was a crap trader learning how to trade. I just started out. It was literally the first month of me trading. I demoed for 2 days, went straight live, traded like I was going to try to make $1 million. Total idiot mistake. That was 8 months ago. I'm 150% a different trader now than I was then. But the thing that hit home to me was the amount of money that I donated to JFX versus another broker. Long story short, I made FinPro pretty much think that I was going to be able to bring over the whole world, and see what they could do if they were willing to work with people who were wanting to save money and be long-term traders, which is what I wanted to be. I wanted to save money and I wanted to be a long-term trader. And I made it sound like I was going to be able to get all of iMarkets Live to come over to them, and they worked with me. Got an account manager, great guy, George. Anyways, this is how I got it downloaded. Well, then when I came to Tradeview, I used the numbers from FinPro to negotiate with Tradeview to show them, look, this is what I can do. This is the platform that I have now. These people are serious. They want to save money. This is something the people that are in the UK can't open accounts at FinPro, so I had to search out. IC Markets wouldn't even listen to me. They could care less to work with anybody that's not an active client of theirs, and they straight up pretty much told me that they're very happy with the amount of money they're charging people, and they have no need to try to help anybody other than the people that are already with them. So I felt like it was spit in the face. Tradeview was willing to listen to me. I took 3 weeks, about 120 emails to get them to do this, and take advantage of it, people. This is an amazing value. They're already $5, so they were already cheaper than IC Markets. Okay, they have the same amount of liquidity providers. They have a whole lot of means of ways to put money in. They don't care about EAs. They're a great brokerage. Save your money. Even if you don't use it, if you don't decide to join this link, use this link and open an account, you can open up an account on your own, and you're paying $5 commissions. If you want to save $2 more, you can open up in this with this group. If you use this account right here, if you use this link right here, it takes you straight to a registration of a live account. If you venture off, which I recommend you venture off, look at the website, check them out, see what they're all about. It breaks the tie. So whenever you open an account, you will be paying $5 commissions. I recommend you go venture out, look at the website, check them out, come back, use this link right here to register a live account. If you want to open a demo account, which I highly recommend everybody open a demo account. You need a demo, no matter what broker you want to use or want to check out, you demo no matter what. I don't care who you are, demo first. When you open up this right here, it's going to take you to an MT4 account. Okay, this actually has a tracking link to keep count of how many demos we have. The more demos we have, the more negotiations I can have with them about things like this minimum deposit. It's $500. With FinPro, it's a $100 deposit. If you are anywhere outside of the U.S. and you don't have $500, you want to open up an account at Tradeview, let me know. Send me a message. Open up a demo. And so I can forward stuff like that to Ben and let him know, look, these people are really wanting to use you guys, but they can't afford it. You can, however, open an account at FinPro. It's a $100 minimum deposit. Check out everything in that room. The link to that room is right here. If you are located in the UK, you cannot open an account with them unless you strictly use Bitcoin. Don't tell them you're from the UK. It's a risk. But it is a possibility. You can message me. I'll tell you exactly all the risks involved in doing that. But this is where you legitimately need to come because they accept you as in the UK. If you use this link, also like I said, takes you to MT4. The $3 commissions will be reflected in MT4. If you open C Trader or MT5, the commissions will be $5. But once you go live, they will be $3 with whichever one you open. But this is the only one that he actually had them build a special link for us. Okay. Max leverage 200. If you don't know what leverage is or how it works, I've got a post down here to explain how leverage works. If you think you need more than 200, make sure you really need more than 200. A lot of I literally have had about, I don't know, over 100 people come to me and say only 200 leverage or only 400. FinPro's max leverage is 400. Only 400 leverage. I have 500 with who I'm with right now. Well, have you ever used 500 leverage? Literally, one out of the over 100 people has actually used 500 leverage. People don't understand leverage. I want to explain it to you. You need to understand it. Okay. If you want to see the spreads, how tight the spreads are during a liquid market, click on this link right here. It takes you to the video down there. I just scrolled past it a minute ago. Stop out is at margin 100%. I want to warn you about that. Most of the brokers are 50 to 70%. With them, it's 100%. You have been warned. Keep your eye on your margin. Okay. I don't want it to close you out on a trade that you know is fixing to turn around just because you're over leveraged. You can partially close the trade to stay in the trade, whatever you got to do, but margin stop out is at 100%. Okay, demo until you see the market conditions of a news event, red folder, high impact news event, daily close, and weekend close. If you don't want to do that, by all means you can, but I recommend it. Okay, this, like I said, this channel right here is where if anything if I ever need to get a hold of everybody that's using them, this is where I'm going to do it. So make sure you're in this room. Click on this link, join the page, keep the notifications turned off there. You can turn them off here, no problem. Keep them on in there. This is where you want to be notified. This is a link to get a bin. If you already have Tradeview, if you're somebody who's with them right now and you're paying $5, you want to lower your commissions, you can send them a support request. You can open up a live chat, or you can send it to Ben. Pretty much copy and paste this right here. Say that you want to be put in our group, save your money, and be a part of a community that can actually make a difference. If anything were to ever go wrong with one of your trades, we can make sure that the leverage of this are responsibly used to make sure that things are right, or that they do their job and explain to you what happened. If you decide to fund with Bitcoin, you can use either one of these. If you FinPro is only bank wire and Bitcoin deposits, so that's why I kind of made it a point to help anybody that doesn't know anything about Bitcoin find out how to buy it and sell, buy it and fund. This is written a little portion about my loss with JFX. This is I used the smallest amount, $7.62 with FinPro. This is a comparison between FinPro. You guys are pennies more, but so it'll be a little bit less than this, but that was per trade. Anyways, 360 of them. I used only EU. Any other trade, GJ, NZD, JPY, any of those other trades, the cost was way more than $7. But just look at this. That number right there is alone shocking. That's how much money. If I was only to trade EU, and that wasn't even all the different trades. The video explains it all. It's insane. Zero commission. People think they're not paying commissions. I explain it right there. There's a screenshot of a 1.0 with $3 commissions. That's what it's going to look like. And this right here is a video of the spreads. Here's a brochure. Leverage explained. These are all the different ways of depositing. It's insane that you guys have this many ways to deposit. FinPro, we only have 2. Like I said, totally jealous. If you have any questions, this video is already almost 12 minutes long. I apologize for being so long, but as you can see, I had a lot to say, and I wanted to make sure that I got it all across. So if you have any questions, drop it in here. Anybody in the community can answer, or I'll get to it. If you want to straight PM me, you can. My name is Sean McWhort. This is a room that I want you guys to be able to utilize. I want you to be educated. Anything I can teach you, I will. Join any one of my other rooms. Forex indexes is a great thing to know which direction I feel like the different individual currencies are going. If you agree with me, good. If you don't, then let me know. I love talking about stuff like that too. I have a newsroom where I try to tell people, high impact news that comes out and stuff like that. If I can post it in there, I will. This is where I recommend people go to talk about trades. This is the room that I started out in. It used to be 200, now it's over 2,000. Great community. I try not to clog up the broker rooms with trade talk, because it's not really a place for it. This is where I want people to just strictly talk about the broker. Anyways, free and MT4 indicators. These are the other rooms that I've built or I'm established in. So I wanted to share that with you guys. If you have any questions, hit me up. Other than that, enjoy it.